A parallel beam of light is sent through an aquarium. If a convex glass lens, as shown in the diagram, is held in the water, where does it focus the beam? Ten seconds left. Okay, we're close to 70%. Let's see if we can get that to 100%. So go ahead, talk to your neighbor.
So that part doesn't matter. It's just from water to glass to water.
Right, exactly. You're on the aquarium tank, but it's like you've got these parallel beams coming in. You've got the parallel beam coming in, going air, glass, air. And so each of those changes is going to have a much higher magnitude, which means the ratio of the angles is going to be much higher. So you're going to have more dramatic angle shifts going air, glass, air than you're going to have going water, glass, water.
This thing that we did for the last problem, this is air, glass, air.
Right.
You're saying the difference is just the angle.
You've got this angle coming in like this. It's gonna bend like that, right?
And then the second one.
Whereas if you have the same thing, and this is water, water is about 1.3.
Okay, so that's 1.5, then it's less. So it's bending toward the north.
Right. It's gonna.
And then the same is true on the way out. So that.
Right.
I mean,
20 more seconds.
Except it's gonna be in reverse, but the angle is still gonna be left.
yeah.
But so far we had a small miracle. We went from 69% correct to 100% correct. Wow, but we still are missing 4 responses, so let's have those last 4 people respond. 62, still 100%. This is amazing. 63, 100%. Wow, I'm impressed. Those of you who got it right very effectively taught those who made it wrong. And in the process, everybody really learns. But imagine that we were pouring in a liquid that has exactly the index of refraction of water. What would happen? So imagine it's not an aquarium filled with water, but some kind of, I don't know, I think glycerin is something that's pretty close to glass. And you put that lens in there. What would happen to this parallel?
I'll start this as an individual question. You have 30 seconds. Here we go. 30 seconds. Are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, or more than 4 ways of finding? I have 56 already. Everybody seems very convinced. Good discussion at the tables.
Because when you go one way,
Good. So in fact, there are 2 ways to find this configuration. Again, we want to think about the 4 forces that are potentially happening here.
What about this? So what would you predict would happen if you suture both eyes shut for the same 2.5 months during kidney? You shut, both of them are now shut. And then you're going to do the same experiment that you did before.
I think they still need
maintenance
it.
rather than like.
But I still think you need it. You just don't need it to stay.
Do we have a prediction? I think we have most people in on their vote. Okay, so you guys said C. Does anybody else want to offer an alternative opinion? We had 2 people who voted for A and B. Anybody have a different idea about what might happen? No different ideas? Nobody wants to say why they maybe voted for B or A? Okay. Well, whoever voted for A was actually correct. Now do you want to vote? Now do you want to say why you thought A might be true? Or did you vote by accident? Press A by accident. Come on, who voted A? Nobody wants to admit to it? All right, well, the answer is A. Why would the answer be A? Can anybody think of a reason?